Mukhang K-pop lover to ah. K-pop lover sa Arya. Arya. Tapos may upa dito. Oh. May upa. Upakan kita dyan. Gusto dahil dapat sa kabanga, dapat sa katotohanan, may 5K pa sana. Dahil parehas kita. Ugat kaya. Para ugakan ako. Nang ugak ta daman tao. Tapos premi kami day agko klase, ramrag, kabisi, hindi man nakakalabas ang ramrag, puta. May clearance pa nga ni kami, day pa ako tapos. Day pa palan kami. Hot daddy. Hala, si Sweet pala to. Hi, Sweet. Kat is here. How are you, Sweet? Hello. How are you? How are you? Kat is here in my life. Tubig-tubig na lang, walang yelo. Wait, why it's so hot here in the Philippines? We are like in oven. We toasted. It's so very hot. Magnilay-nilay tayo, mga kaibigan. Ay, lobat na ba to? Mapasain mo. It's so very hot here because I'm here. Charot. Joke lang. Sorry na raw si Daddy Rod. Ay. Ano, this is Sweet Filipino? Bako. Which country are you, Sweet? Is that, what flag is that? For Italy. Oh my God, you're from Italy. Italian mamacita. Mamacita. Let me guess. Your favorite is pasta. Pasta or pizza? Mamma mia. Palitan ko na raw eh. Dari na sa susi. Italian mens, where are you? Wow. Really? Mad Max? I never tried one, so I don't know. I will say that if I will try Italian. But now, I can say... Oh my God. Goodness gracious. Ikaw yung nag-shuffle, ah. Nawala lang ako guys, in a few days. I've been gone for a few days. Then, there's new